How social media may improve your brand's reputation? In a variety of ways, social media can be an effective tool for developing and enhancing your brand image. More visibility. Social media gives you the opportunity to connect with more people and make your brand more noticeable. You may get new followers, interact with your audience, and establish a powerful online presence by publishing content frequently. Brand personality. Social media offers a stage on which to display the character and principles of your company. You may establish a personal connection with your audience and gain a devoted following by sharing material that is in line with the goals of your brand. Social media presents an opportunity to creatively and compellingly express your brand's narrative. You can promote your goods, services, and corporate culture by sharing images, videos, and other visual content. Engagement with clients. Social media enables you to interact with your customers directly, responding to their inquiries, concerns, and suggestions. By doing this, you may strengthen your bonds with clients and enhance how they view your brand. Social media influencers can be effective allies in enhancing your brand's reputation through influencer marketing. You may expand your audience and build your brand's credibility by collaborating with influencers who have similar audiences and ideals to yours. In conclusion, by raising visibility, exhibiting your brand personality and values, sharing your business's narrative, interacting with customers, and utilizing influencer marketing, social media may be a useful tool for improving your brand reputation.